Hey, that's right. I decided to get into mobile app pen testing. Why? Well, I kind of see a need, and it's just interesting to me. I I do think that it's a good skill to pick up. One, if you're a job seeker, this is a great differentiator. I know, mobile app pen testing, mobile security is the new hotness, and it probably will be for some time because frankly speaking, most people are on their phones just as much, if not more, than their computers. Of course, that kind of comes with a caveat. Like those of us that work behind a computer all day, it's a different story. But this is a huge area that has a need for more security and not enough talent in it. So, I'm creating this YouTube series as I'm learning, so forgive me if I misspeak. Please comment below. We're all in this, learning phase together. I'm assuming that's why a lot of you guys are watching this video. So if you see anything that I may be wrong about, please feel free to comment below. And yeah, I'm kind of learning this as I'm going, and I'm trying to, provide more quality content than what I'm seeing out there in terms of mobile pen testing content. So, with that in mind, I guess let's just hop into it. This first video is really going to be more of a high-level overview. I'm not going to get into anything technical just yet, but I do want to show you. So this is Stat Counter, and basically this shows a 74 to 25% ratio of users for Android versus iOS. I also picked Android because I was advised, hey, if you start off trying to do mobile app pen testing and you start off with iOS, it's really, really hard to, I guess, a demoralizing or demotivating level. So they advised that I get an Android. So between that, the fact that there's more users for Android applications, I just went ahead and I decided to start here. So I do want to talk real brief about the architecture. So I'm sorry ahead of time for this incredibly confusing graphic, but this is kind of the most comprehensive and one of the best things that I could come up with that I could find on the internet, rather. But all I really want you to take away from this is, you have, the source code, and the source code is essentially it's Java source code. And what happens is, that gets packaged and resourced. That gets compiled and it goes through a compilation framework, and those are different. They have been changing as technology's been changing, and essentially what you do is you get this classes.dex file, and from there the dex file is used and it is pushed through either a Dalvik or an Art framework. Dalvik is more the old school just-in-time type of execution, whereas Art is more of the new school, what most applications are based off of. There's no compiling happening, so you can see that it's definitely faster, and newer versions of Android use the Art framework, if you will. Now, that's all I want to talk about in terms of that. Real quick, I do want to talk about APK. So an APK is your Android application file. So when we go to the Play Store and we just hit download and install the app, and we don't even see the file name, but it's essentially it's a .apk, and think of the APK as a zip file. So let me see. So here, so like this diva-beta.apk, and don't worry about what diva is. I'll get into that maybe in the next video or two, and we'll play around with it. But so think of this as a zip file. So it's a compressed file, and so when you decompress it, and there is a special way on how to decompress it, you can't just unzip it. You'll be able to see that classes.dex file within there, within the folder that's created from decompiling the app, and the application decompilation process is going to be done in a special way. I'll also show you why you can do it some ways and why you can't just unzip it and then start reading files. It'll be a little eye-opening for you. So in terms of the overview, that's kind of all I really had. I'll get into setting up the environment, kind of a lot of mistakes that I made that hopefully you won't have to make. Kind of set me back a lot on time, and we'll just dive right into messing with some apps. So if you like this video, please be sure to hit like and subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. I'm going to try to keep up with these videos, and I will do my best to do like maybe a video a week, but there's a lot of information out there that I have to kind of parse through and come up with to make meaningful videos. So either way, I hope you guys like the video, and I'll see you guys soon.